Hey, what's up? Hello, it's the next day. So surprise, I'm going to Orlando. I kind of decided like last night that I was gonna go with DJ and his family, and I'm going to Orlando, so I need to hurry up and pack. I just got back in the house from being out all morning, but I need to pack, so I'm gonna pack. Don't think I'm gonna record that because it's boring. Nobody wants to see anybody pack. This looks sad, but I'm all packed. I don't have a suitcase, so after this trip, I'm gonna get a suitcase, okay? Because this is ridiculous. All this could be in one suitcase, but I don't have a suitcase. But anyways, I am ready to go. This is my in the car outfit. Little plain Jane, none major. Okay guys, so this guy wants to see my reaction for some reason. Oh, snap. We fancy. Look at that. That's a cutie.
That's a cutie, ain't it?
Oh, that's a cutie. So this is our car for the weekend. Looks nice. Bye-bye. Not bad, not bad.
You got what I need. Friends, though, you know I'm fucking you. Now you with the biggest shot.
Guys, so just ate dinner, stuffed, and unbuckled my pants because I ate so much. But I ended up cooking tonight first. I made some spaghetti, Haitian spaghetti, whatever. I got my closet all filled up with my clothes, my shoes up there. Over here I just took out all of my bags, perfume, body spray, lotion, other stuff. Here's my snack bag because it's that time of the month, ladies, so I just picked up some snacks so that I could snack while I'm watching TV late at night. But yeah, everybody else is going in the pool. Unfortunately I can't go, so I'm just gonna take a shower and go sit outside, but I need to be clean first because it's been a long day and it's that time of the month and we don't wait until the last minute to get clean. Hey guys, it's the next morning. I'm just getting dressed. I have on my Now I'm Good shirt that I got from Five Below. Some gray sweat shorts. So we had a lot of things planned, but the rain is not letting us be great. We're supposed to go to Volcano Bay water park. Again, the rain is not letting us be great. So we're gonna go to Disney, but Disney only has Animal Kingdom and Epcot open, not the actual Disney World. So that's a waste of money because that's the main attraction. and it's not open until the end of July. So we're gonna go to a go-kart place because it's indoors, and that seems to be the only real option aside from staying inside the house. So that's what we're about to do. I'm just getting ready.
Oh, that July.
I guess I'll go on that. This one look a little bit rinky, but oh, that thing is fast. I ain't going.
Yeah, they got a bungee thing.
Oh my God, it's too fast. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Gone on it.
Yeah, I'll go on the baby rides, no problem.
If it's 10
I'm
feet,
not
I
going
say,
on that
I'm not
ride.
even
No, I'm not. That thing is too rinky for me. I'll go on the baby rides. At least if it break down, I can just jump off.
Exactly. See that one right there, that green one. I'm gonna go
Exactly. Exactly. I jump right off that thing. All right, let's see it. What you about, bro? What you about? Where the food at? Sorry. Bro. Got 15 seconds. You had 20 seconds. 28, 30. Come on, hustle. Come on, you almost there, Yeah, almost. Come on, baby, come on. Oh, you beat it by one.
I done beat that jump.
One by one, Jed.
Easy money, man. That was just a warm up. That's the first time. Gotta get warmed up, man. It's easy.
Screaming.
Look at that. I beat it by 1 point, y'all. Look at Shaz.
Shit.
Are you getting on this?
That's the high school.
You getting them? Oh no, you weren't going. Okay.
This is high school right here?
I just said that, yeah.
What you gonna do about it, bro?
We got like 20 bucks on him. I gotta give him $1 right now.
What you got, bro? What you trying to do?
You gotta go get it, man.
No, you just did one thing. Hey, don't leave your phones out like that.
Oh, those are chickens out here? Oh, wow. Oh, perfect. Oh, I gotta hurt you too. Okay. I gotta go again. What the heck is going on here? Let's start.
No, it ain't starting because the timer ain't on. I seen y'all.
Oh, you see? Can you see the Tim Martin? Nah, it's gone now.
You scared?
I was scared. It was not going that fast. My eyes trying to stay open.
Oh my goodness.
That's intense, but I can use another one of those, bro.
I ain't gonna lie. I was right there.
Bro,
Right
yeah.
there started.
That was the
They
one
get you right there. You go ahead, run it. It's your T3.
I got no more money.
How much you spent?
are crazy. Just started them. They sure live. I sure will take them.
Put some glaze on mine and I'll
Okay, just throw a little glaze in the whole bucket. Give me a spoon. I'll be good.
I know.
like it gotta be quick. I don't care if it come out.
Yeah, it'd be cool. You know, that's fine. Throw a little glaze at the top. I mix it around with,
Like that
with a fork.
Come out the wrong shape. I don't care.
Right. Oh, you see, yeah.
Try that. Give me some glaze.
Yeah, stick it inside. Oh, there you go. Ooh, look at that. Dang. That's what we need to invest in, the Krispy Kreme. Let's start one right down on Blue Heron. We'll make so much money.
Why they didn't keep one on Palm Beach?
So we are back in the Airbnb. I have my box of donuts. I already ate one. I gave DJ one. I'm about to eat another one, but I'm gonna go take a shower and all that, and then get ready for dinner. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I'm just eating my Krispy Kreme. Yeah, that's how much I usually post, so it can go across in a row.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you, babe. You want any pictures right now, or you want to wait till you change?
You think I need a picture right now?
Up to you. You have down your page yet? That outfit? Sure. You could smile, bro. You gotta try to look so gangster.
And the gambler with good and free. We got in a fight over Tennessee.
Ew. Watermelon barbecue sauce. That sounds disgusting.
I love hot sauces, but when you start doing stuff like this, I mean, it's just...
I found that girl with the golden hair.
Oh well.
Ain't nothing you can do with it?
Yeah, just command the frame. Shit. I have none left. It's a video.
Oh, I didn't know.
So fluffy. All right, you guys, so we are about to set up for fireworks. It's 4th of July. It's 8:45 in the night. And we're about to do these fireworks. So, leggedy. I'm scared of fireworks. So last year I almost got my weave burnt off.
You feel like you're getting good light in that or that? Oh, okay, I see what.
Well, I needed it for the trunk, but out here it's fine with the cause the school lights right here. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh wait, we have to tell them to bring the broom or
Yeah,
pick it up.
Oh.
Just let her push the button.
Push the button.
Put it in there.
Go stand over there.
668 shots. Oh, I got a couple of them of mine, like 196.
Hey, it's all good.
Then they go down from
It's
there.
all good. It's all good. We're gonna put them together, huh?
Yeah, those
Cannon.
big.
Yeah. It's gonna just unload.
What is that one your favorite?
The Roman, the biggest yeah, Roman.
It's a crown.
He's talking about, I got it. Yeah, that's snowy. I didn't go down that way a little bit. loud.